Shukor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ke-Chairperson jong State Education Commission ke Professor Sherwin May Sungoh mentaka sengi kalai trik unailar arjar arpulai kala penpau baga Jingpyntreikam ni ke National Education Policy arjar arpo kareban sedang Naduh naki Skul. Ke Professor Sungoh kala ongru bala bu jingmut ban sedang Jingpyntreikam ni ke NEP Naduh ki Skul namar ban penti kenaya ke jinglong jingman bha ke pule puthi hapo ke jela. Haba keli halor ki jing ki bala pan wan ke Professor Sungoh kala ong bakin don ki jing Henry kansa donru ke jing trailang bat baro ke ban laru ban penpoi syakathong ke ban laru ban telakam ye ki jing ha ke pule puthi hapo ke jela.
This commission is known as the State Education Commission, and I've been appointed as the chairperson for this commission. Now the government has given us 3 terms of reference where we will work on it, giving recommendations to the government, and we also have certain roles to play with regards to salary, with regards to the infrastructure, with regards to financial support, which is to be given by the government. And most important is we will have to discuss on the various challenges that we are going to face while implementation of the NEP 2020. Now, the implementation of the NEP 2020 is a very important policy where we should implement right from the school level, and it should go right up to the highest level. So we know that in implementing the NEP 2020, we will be facing a lot of challenges, but we will try to find out solutions as much as possible to curb these challenges and to also overcome them. So the commission now, we have just started. We will be discussing on the roadmap. We will be discussing on what to do, and we will be discussing what will be our vision, what will be our mission, and also what will be the expectations of the government from the commission. The NEP has already started, especially at the university level, and now we are trying to implement it at the undergraduate level, as you have seen in the news. So the implementation will also be taking place, but we will have to decide, at the school level, I think we need to implement right from the foundation stage. So now the foundation stage, preparation for the foundation stage is already in place, and I think they have prepared, and now it's the implementation stage from the foundation stage.
Ambos is quite obsolete, that we have to match with other syllabuses like CBSE and others. So, and the other issue is we have too many schools but too many dropouts also in state. So how are you going to discuss as a commission on these 2 issues?
See, we have strategies to overcome all these challenges, but please allow me to not say anything at this point of time, because I need to discuss with my members